If you are an immigrant, this is a video for you. I am an immigrant. I left my country a few years ago. I came with many dreams. Of course, to make a better life for my family. It is me, my wife, and our 2 children. But one thing I've realized when you come to a new country is that if you're not careful, you can be sucked in the system where you have to work, and then retirement comes around and there's nothing to show for it. So if you are an immigrant, this video is for you. I left my country and I came to this country with dreams of continuing my career as an electrical engineer. But when you leave your country and come to a new country, if it is the US or Canada or the UK, you have to, there are gatekeepers. You can't just come and bring your qualification over here and you think you're going to just fit in and start working in your field, the one that you used to do back home. I graduated as an electrical engineer. I worked as an electrical engineer and then I became a project manager. But all those skills and qualifications have not served me here yet. And I'm going to tell you why. So when you come here, of course, now you have to go through a system of finding a way to revalidate your documents. Of course, you're going to find some gatekeepers, but you have to find a way to make it happen, to make life happen, because you came with many dreams. I've seen many people that have been here and some that I've heard been here for years, and when they start growing older and they're coming to retirement, there's nothing they show for it. It has been work. And the truth be told, pension is not enough when you're growing older. So, these are my thoughts as a business owner, as an immigrant. When you come to a new country like maybe US, Canada, UK, name it, yes, you're going to find ways, to survive. You're going to find anything to do to make money, to take care of your bills, take care of your family. But you need to have an end goal in your mind. You need to have something you're working towards to. You should not let yourself be sucked in the system that time comes you don't have anything that you can show for it. You've not invested in anything. You've been like paying bills, consuming, and there's nothing to show for it. So what do I have to say about this whole thing? You need to think about your tomorrow. You need to think about what you're going to have to do once you stop working, once you stop those years of where you have energy, where you've been working so hard. You need to think about tomorrow. And this is what I think. You need to find a way to invest either here in a business or think about investing back home. You can buy a piece of land back home. You don't have to go for, let's say, buying a piece of land near town or wherever. You can buy a piece of land away from town and you start doing something with it. And always, when you're buying a piece of land, a plot away from town, it is way cheaper. Spread your investment, spread your money in a way that you can buy a piece of land, do something here too. You can either invest, start a business for yourself. You can invest in index funds and just keep quiet, let them do their own thing. You can even find ways to tap into the property market here, where you buy probably a house that is not really looking well, sold cheaply, and find a way to renovate it, and you can rent it out or you can sell it. But don't fall into the trap of just working 50, 60 hours a week. and then you're exhausted. There's nothing, you don't have even time to think. The thing is that I've seen also another trap that I see is the more people are occupied working, you don't even have time to think. And yet good ideas come when your mind is rested and you're thinking. Sometimes it's good to sit with your thoughts. You just sit, maybe you come in a park like this, just sit and think about your tomorrow. Think about your children. What will be if anything ever happens? There's something that you need to leave. That's why I'm making this video, to encourage you to start thinking about what is your tomorrow, what is going to happen tomorrow. You need to really think about it, because time goes so fast. Time goes so fast. I know many people come here as students. When you come here as a student, when you finish your program, you have to find a ways to extend your visa if you've not got a sponsorship to stay in the country. And remember, when you come in a country like this, you have to find a way to work towards your permanent residence here. Because the thing is, yes, when you come as a student, you finish whatever course you're doing, maybe 3 or 1 year, whatever it is, you have to find a way to extend that visa. And whenever you extend that visa, you're not yet into where you're working towards indefinite leave to remain. So you need to really strategize. Don't just find a way of finding a way to renewing your visa, because all those years are going to be wasted when time comes to applying for permanent residence. So the sooner you find a way you can start that journey of working towards your residence, you need to not waste time. I don't know if you understand the gravity of it, because many people work their life away, and when time comes to go back home, or if they decide to go back home, there's nothing they show for it. Don't fall into that trap where you're working 50 hours a week, you're working 60 hours a week just to pay bills. Find the way that you can save some of the money that you're making, because the most powerful wealth building tool is your income. You cannot be using all your income to pay bills, to pay transportation, to pay food, and there's nothing that remains after that. You need to make some adjustment. You need to make some moves that you're able to save money and to invest that money. Money that is not invested, there's nothing that nothing comes out of money just spent. So think about it and make a move before it is too late. If you got value in this small video, I would love that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you don't get subscribed. An immigrant, just encouraging others. Wherever you are in this world, you've left your country to pursue a new life. Think about your tomorrow. Don't be sucked in the daily hustle, and you don't think about tomorrow, because before you know it, you're old. You don't have the same energies that you had when you came here. So think about your tomorrow. Don't waste the opportunity that you have to make an impact for yourself, an impact for the next generations. So if you got value in this video, hit the like button. Consider joining our membership club here on YouTube by hitting the join button below. If you're an immigrant or you left your country to do something for yourself, share your thoughts by writing it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.